Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee high altitude four-wheel drive, stock number E2246P. 21,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report, bright white in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You'll also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. Seats 5, leather interior. Outboard seats are also heated. Split seat backs fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. It's a very safe vehicle with advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, cross path detection, adaptive cruise control, backup camera, and parking sensors, helping to give it a 5-star front and side government crash rating. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear with removable privacy cover. Additional underfloor storage with removable bins for easy cleaning. Hitch and wiring behind the cover. Nice clean look when not in use. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. This high altitude has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, 19-speaker Harman Kardon sound system, power seats along with a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, oversized panoramic moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 21,000 miles. Cruise control, along with the adaptive cruise, set to the distance of your choice. 8-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters. Large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, as well as ventilated seats keep you comfortable no matter what time of year, along with dual zone automatic temperature control, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things used most often. USB, along with auxiliary input, allowing you to connect media devices. That 8-speed automatic transmission. 4-wheel drive, including 4-wheel drive low, quadrilift. Suspension lifting gives you multiple settings for off-roading. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Your HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener, power liftgate, moonroof, and power sunshade control. Under the hood, this Grand Cherokee has a 3.6-liter V6, 295 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimate to an average of 18 miles to the gallon and a city average of 25 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.